Black girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So we at the fabric store. If y'all new, go ahead and subscribe. We do a bunch of DIYs, vlogs, and all of that. But y'all, we're gonna get right into the video. So I folded once and then we're gonna fold it again. I use my waist measurements and I think I've divided it by 4, but I'm gonna put it in the place it in the video so y'all can know exactly what I did. But that's what I'm doing here, and we're just gonna use our chalk pen to mark it off. And y'all, I've been using the wrong chalk for the longest, and now I gotta get the right one. It's not this one, it's a wax one. But and then we did the length of the skirt that I did on her, and I did about, I think, 18 inches, and that's like an average length for a skirt. Of course, you want to make it a little longer so you can have some to work with. You'd rather have more than less, and that's what we're doing here. We're going to draw the solid line, and we're going to cut that out, and y'all, we're going to have the perfect skirt, okay? This came out super cute. Okay, so this is what you should have, and my client wanted to vlog the process, and y'all know I'll be super thirsty for stuff like this, so I'm just getting everything fitted. And of course we're gonna add a zipper to the back. And y'all, this next part gonna go by real fast. It's 3 pieces. I sewed those all together, as you can see. Like, y'all, I'm so sorry. It was like I had to do stuff while she was here, and this I just measured it on her, cut out the boob area, and we kept those pieces and used the boob pieces. Y'all, it was just a lot. Oh my god, this project was very tedious. Like I said, this was my first time. I never worked with a client with big boobs, so it was like I was just trying to figure everything out. This is how it's coming along. I'm pinning stuff together. These are the boob cups, and y'all, first time making boob cups. You sewed a little piece together like I just did. I'll do another detailed video on a corset because I'm definitely making another one soon. But yeah, so just pin that together, right sides together, and you should have something like this. So y'all, when trying something new, it just be frustrating sometimes because it be like, am I doing this right? But you gotta trust the process, because it's like once you keep going, it start looking good. Once your client get there, you start either feeling better to try on, and once they get their makeup and stuff done, it's lit. Okay, so now y'all, we got that done. I am finding the center point of my corset bottom, and now I am doing 3 inches across, and then we're going to draw a line straight down, and we're going to do that all the way across the corset like so. So what we're doing is making our bone end channels right here, okay? So for the channel, you want to sew one side down like I'm doing here, and y'all, these are based on the size bone that you'll be using. And y'all, this is my first time, so some of them is bigger than the other because, like I said, I had to figure everything out. And right here I am showing y'all what we're gonna do next. So this is the big one, you flipping it over, and this is the regular size one. You flip that over and you're sewing the other side. You want to sew as far to the edge as possible so you can make sure the bone fits in properly. And y'all, I'm definitely gonna give y'all a more detailed video on a corset, but this one was kind of rushed and last minute. But this is what everything is looking like, looking real good. I was excited about this. So now I'm gonna feed in the bones. So y'all, you just gonna put it in, you're gonna cut, and then you're gonna pull it back out, and you're gonna cut a little piece off again because you need some for seam allowance so you can sew everything together and you don't ruin your needle. So make sure you do that. That is very important. Now you want to find your center point on your skirt and start pinning everything together. This is so exciting. Yes, y'all. But this is what it's looking like. And now I am just going to take the top part, and we're going to hem that up really nice and give it a nice clean look like so. And that'll be all. Y'all see the final and finishing look. Thank y'all so much for subscribing to my channel, liking, and staying to the end of this video. I love y'all so much. You look so cute.
Thank you.
Yes, do a little spin. Yes, move a little. And the shoes comes together real nice with it. Yes. I'm thirsty. Thanks for 6K. We on the road to 7K. Like and follow for more videos. I love y'all so much. And I'm out. Peace. Yeah.